So let's see what we are going to be expecting this week on our gold. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comment. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So the link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. Last week we did analysis on gold, and our prediction was that this week that just finally ended, we would be going bullish on gold. That was our prediction for the week, right? And well, guess what? Gold gave us a bullish move. You can clearly see it, right? So gold eventually opened and closed bullish for the week. You can clearly see it here. That is to tell you that our prediction was absolutely correct. So we were anticipating for gold to give us a bullish move, thereby taking out this previous high. This was what we were anticipating for the week, and gold did exactly what we predicted it. Now we would want to see what gold will be next. So by next week, we would want to know what gold will do. So let's do this analysis. Let's do this analysis the weekly time frame. First thing first, before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend. That is the first thing. You would want to know the trend of the trade that you take, right? And as you can clearly see that on our gold, we are in an uptrend move. So it is very clear that gold is in an uptrend move right here. So now this is the movement on our gold. We are this high, then we are this higher low. This is the higher high, and here is our higher low. Gold eventually push up from new higher high. You can clearly see that this higher high that gold has been making has been a massive move. It has been a good movement on the upside, right? Then here comes the higher low. Gold was able to give us a new higher high, which was a good movement that took out this previous high, and here is the higher low. Now gold has now just given us a new higher high, and this new higher high has started. So based on our previous movement or how this gold, whereby once it breaks the previous high, it tends to give us good amount of a bullish move before pullback, as you can see from here right to this level here. Then we can also see from here to this level here, right? And we can also see from here to this level here, right? So with that movement, we should be expecting gold to push further up. So that is to tell you that gold will be giving us a bullish move this week. So this week, you should be anticipating for a buy, right? Gold to give us more movement to the upside. So this week, we should open and close bullish, right? So whatever you would want to be doing on your gold for the week, you would want to be going long on gold. Now let's go down to the daily time frame. So now this is on the daily time frame on our gold also. This is our high and this is our higher low. This here is also our higher high and here is the higher, right? This here is the higher high and here comes the higher low, right? Now that we've gotten this higher low, our next movement on gold will be another higher high. So we should be expecting gold to push up and form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So guys, whatever you would want to be doing on gold, you would want to be going long on. So a bullish move on gold is what we should be anticipating for next, right? So we should be anticipating for a bullish move for the week. Now, if you have to go to the forward time frame, you can see that on this forward time frame, we are at a rejection zone right here, whereby market has been rejecting from this zone multiple times, which is our support level. Now that we are currently at the support level, we should expect market to reject from this zone, thereby pushing up. So this is one of the reasons. This is another indication that this week gold will be giving us a bullish move, thereby rejecting and push up. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. I'll cover the updates. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on the subscribe button, follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram in the comment section.